time with it. This is a tune that I wrote. Stone and made the sound. And as I watch you walk across that lonely beach, I found myself surrounded in the sadness of his eyes. I know a great Hawaiian man. He is alone, fisherman, last of a breed, coming to an end. I finally realized the reason why I carry on, and I say, sail on, so love the sea. Sacred land, but I can feel it in his voice and in his hands, and all at once I finally understand. I hear his song, it echoes in my heart. I am the child left to carry on. I am tomorrow, but I'm living for today, holding on to wisdom that he gave me yesterday. Yes, I know a great Hawaiian man, and made of stone and made of sand. And as I watch it walk across that lonely beach, I found myself surrounded in the magic of his eyes, and I say, sail on, so love the sea. Spread your wings, carry me. I am the vision, and you are the light. Take me home, welcome home, Santa Cruz. So only if it's just a moment, and the moment is now. Welcome home, everybody.